I went from this. I went from this. I went from this to this to this. This, I still have it. Because this has lasted me for so long, and I am so proud because I also made part of the money I used to buy this real one from using this mop stand. So when somebody yap you that you're using a mop stand to hang your wig, what matters is that it's actually hanging. Okay. I finally got it. I finally got I finally got it. Like for so long after using my DIY one, and I finally got the main one. Oh my god. You guys can't even imagine. I finally have money to buy this. As a as a wish, someone that loves wig and someone that tries wig, you can't even imagine how happy I am getting this stuff. I am so super, super happy. Yeah, I literally believed in myself. I believed in myself, and I would not let anything hold me back. So whether or not I'm using this one or I am using this mop seat, what matters is that I'm actually doing something. I do not wait for things to come to you. Don't wait for something to just come and hit you. Find something, find it. Whatever it is that you want, go for it. Okay, start small. Don't wait for gold to fall into your hands. Make gold out of nothing. Okay, I'm so excited for this. This is a win for me. This is a major win for me, honestly. Going from this, going from this to this. I went from this. I went from this. I went from this to this to this to this. My God, just take a look at the difference. Oh my God. Oh my God. Oh my goodness. I am so happy. I did this, you guys. I did this. I literally did it. So, yes, thank you so much for being a part of my journey. I truly appreciate you all. Thank you. Thank you. Okay. This one, you know that this one was Stacy. I named this one Stacy. I don't know what I'm going to name this one. I think I should name her. Hmm, what about Chelsea? Stacy Chelsea. Oh yes, I'll name her Chelsea. So, all right, I'll name her Chelsea. This is Chelsea.